This is a quick video of how to change rear struts hatch for the BMW 325i. So this is the part that we are going to change. These are the tools and these are the replacements. So it's very easy. First step is to take out this. Then we need to take this clip off. Now we need to pull it. A little clean up. It is clean now. I'm going to add W40 and some grease. Okay, now it is ready. So I need to do the same thing with the other one. It's removed. Install, and now we're done.